Kids, in the earlier lessons, you have learned about various parts of a computer. You also know about some computer programs that help you do different types of tasks on the computer. A computer works with the help of two main components: hardware, software. Hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical parts of a computer that we can touch and feel. The following are examples of computer hardware: CD, DVD, pen drive, RAM, keyboard, monitor. Software. All programs that we run on the computer as well as the instructions that we give to it as input are collectively called software. Some examples of software are MS Paint, Notepad, Tux Paint, and Calculator. For a computer to work properly, it needs both hardware and software. In fact, software is nothing but the instructions that hardware needs to do a job. Together, software and hardware enable the computer to work as a single unified machine. Hardware devices. Some hardware devices are necessary for the working of the computer, like keyboard, monitor, mouse, and CPU, while some other hardware devices are attached separately to the CPU box if they are required for a particular task. These devices are called peripheral devices. For example, if you want to listen to music from the computer, you need to attach speakers to it. So, speakers are peripheral devices. The different parts or components of a computer can be divided into the following categories: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Cool fact: typewriter is the longest word that you can type using the letters present on the first row of the keyboard. Input devices. All devices that help in giving information or instructions to a computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam, microphone, etc. You already know about these input devices. Let's learn about some new input devices. Cool fact: nowadays, Braille input devices are available for blind people. Joystick. A joystick is an input device used for playing computer games. It allows you to move objects quickly and accurately on the screen while playing a game. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is an input device that allows you to give input just by touching the screen with a finger. Tablets and smartphones are examples of common touchscreen devices. Output devices. All hardware devices that help in giving a result or output are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speakers, headphones, etc. Storage devices. You have already learned that some special devices are used for storing data and files permanently for future use. Let's do an activity to see how well you remember them. Cool fact: floppy disks were a popular storage device for nearly 40 years, but their use started declining by the mid-1990s. These disks came in two sizes: 5 1/4 inches and 3 1/2 inches. Software. Hardware is incomplete without software. Software is a set of programs or instructions given to the computer in order to solve a problem. Software are of the following two types: system software, application software. System software is a set of programs that helps in the overall working of the computer. More specifically, it helps the hardware and application software to work properly. An example of system software is the operating system, which is the most important software of a computer. Some examples of popular operating systems are Windows, Linux, and Mac. Application software is designed and used for a specific purpose. For example, Paint software is used for drawing and coloring, whereas Notepad software is used for typing and editing text. Cool fact: Android is a mobile operating system, OS.